you guys ever had that feeling when you're doing something and you're doing good and you're on a roll, the ball is rolling, you got that momentum, everything's going great, and then out of nowhere you hit a roadblock? Yeah, well that's how my trading was this week. So stay tuned and you'll see the roadblock. Alright, so last week we ended the week green. We were about $2,200 up for the week. We had two positions that I was telling you guys about, one which was oil and one which was inverse gold. Now, oil took a bigger dump this week and we're down on that. And then the inverse gold ETF I actually had, it reverse split, and reverse splits are very scary. Pretty much the amount of shares you have changes, but the value stays the same. I'm not gonna get into that. Anyway, this week we are ending the week down $2,662.50. Monday was my only green day I had in the market. On Monday we traded an oil stock. It was Apache, and between Monday and Tuesday I think we made $457. And one thing I want to show you guys is the current trading station right here. Wow, I'm not even recording the screen for you guys. I'm such a bad person, aren't I? All right, well, let me show you guys the screen now. Hopefully you guys are seeing this, what I'm seeing. Again, let me show you the positions that I am in. This is the USO stock I'm currently in. Here you can see this is the daily chart. Oil has been selling off for some time, since 2020. Highs were $13.32. We are at $2.31 with our average price. Let me see where our average price is. Show cost basis. This is our average price right over here. So it's not a terrible price average, but you know, we're down 33% if you look at it that way, which we need 66% to break even. Which normally, so you would ask yourself, what are you doing with your life, bro? Hertz, going on to Hertz. Same scenario, $20 at the beginning of the year. We are trading at $3 and what? 71 cents with an average price of $4.37. The reason I like Hertz is because Hertz, when it gains momentum, it likes to move. And you know, it's not an airline company, although it is greatly affected by travel. I do believe this is gonna be good. You know, not all the attention's on car rental companies, it's all on airlines, which might be a good thing. And you can see it's forming this little base right around here, and it still didn't create new lows. And on the daily, on Friday's daily chart, you can see it had a little bit of a bullish move. If we break it down, let me show you guys right here. On Friday, it had a really bullish move right up here, and it just ran to fill a gap that was formed right from the previous day's close. So yeah, we'll see what happens. 14% down on that. J-Dust, this is the inverse gold. This is the one that had the reverse split I was telling you guys about. I have a few price targets right here. These are all gaps that need to be filled. Our average price right over here, pretty much at this level right here. And yeah, that's nothing special there. 26% down. And here we got Southwest Airlines right over here. Southwest Airlines, pretty much the same pattern that we are seeing in like many airline stocks and Hertz. We are experiencing a triple bottom, which actually broke the support level, and we made new lows on Friday. We did kind of pick up a little bit, but hey, this one's not looking too good. I mean, everything's looking pretty bad right now, but we are still in the game, you know what I'm saying? As long as you don't sell, you don't lose. And you know, if you take losses quite fast here, you're gonna get wiped out. So with the overall bias, long-term bias overall in the stock market, you can see, let me show you guys the S&P 500 over the long term. Let me blow this up for you guys. And we got some levels here that we jotted down. But overall, if you take a look at a weekly basis, the stock market has been trending up and up since 2009. So if I'm buying these stocks right now, yeah, I might be down a little bit. Well, day trades turn into investments, as you guys all know. You guys know how that works, right? If you're a day trader. Anyway, guys, that is the recap of the markets for this trading week. Monday was good, and then, you know, emotions got the best of me. Emotional trading, you know, it's hard when all the stresses of life come at you, when you're forced to kind of make money in the market as an income because you're not working any other job. So there are tensions, life tensions, relationship tensions, and whatnot that will affect you as a trader. So just follow your parameters, follow your guidelines, be the best you can be. Sometimes it's best not to trade, which, you know, sometimes I think I'd be better off if that was my situation. I need to be more patient and wait for setups on these trades, but I'm trying to get in and just scalp, which those scalps usually don't end up going in my favor, and then we are bag holding. And what a bag holder is a person that's a loser. So this week, I'm a big loser, guys, but hopefully this turns around for next week, and we'll be back with another recap for next week. Have a great week, guys. Another month of quarantine. I hope you guys are staying healthy and good. Let me know, comment down below, what are you guys doing to stay entertained and happy during the quarantine season. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own.